Hi everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So excited. I'm here in the city of Lawndale, California. Lawndale. And Lawndale is going to have to be renamed to Kurapia Dale because we tore some grass out here. We tore the grass out because grass needs to be watered several times a week, and Southern California just doesn't have a lot of water. So wanting to do the right thing, we're actually installing Kurapia. Now Kurapia, once it's established, is only going to need to be watered once or twice a month. And in fact, in the winter months, you don't have to water it at all. It just lives on rainwater. It's amazing, amazing stuff. The nice thing about it is that we wanted to save cost on material, and so we didn't put it solid. We actually left spaces, and these gaps are going to knit together and fill in very, very nicely. So you won't even be able to see the gaps of soil. It's going to fill in solid in about, let's say, a month or two. The stuff is very aggressive. Now here's the beautiful thing about Kurapia. You don't have to mow it. If I was across the street looking at it this way, I would say that it was lawn, a grass lawn. Now you can play on it, you do all this amazing stuff that people do on lawns, playing, you can have a jumper, rebounder on here, you can do whatever you want. But the beautiful thing is you don't have to mow it, and you only water it once or twice a month. It's amazing stuff. This is what it looks like, brand new. We just laid it, and like I said, we wanted to save money on the Kurapia cost, so it's just gonna knit together. Does what it does. Great stuff. I encourage you to check it out. Kurapia, Kurapia. Go on YouTube, look at kurapia.com or